In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 100K YouTube subscribers using proven strategies from successful creators who've already reached that milestone. Let's get into it. First, you need to be crystal clear on who you're creating content for and what value you're providing. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Pick a niche where you have genuine knowledge or passion, then stick to it. Your channel needs a clear identity so viewers instantly know what they're subscribing to. Next, focus on creating high-quality content that actually delivers value. Every single video should provide entertainment, education, or inspiration. Cut out the fluff, skip long intros, and get straight to the point. Keep viewers engaged from the first second to the last. Your titles and thumbnails are crucial because they're the first thing people see. Create titles that spark curiosity or promise to solve a specific problem. Keep them between 60 and 70 characters so they don't get cut off in search results. For thumbnails, use bright, contrasting colors, large, readable text, and expressive faces or clear visuals that stand out in the feed. Upload consistently. Successful creators stick to a regular schedule, whether it's once a week or twice a week. Consistency trains the algorithm to recommend your videos and trains your audience to expect new content. Pick a schedule you can actually maintain long-term. Now, let's talk about YouTube Shorts. Shorts are one of the fastest ways to grow right now because YouTube pushes them to people who don't even follow you yet. Post 1 or 2 shorts per day, quick tips, behind-the-scenes clips, or teasers for your longer videos. Use shorts to funnel viewers to your main content. Study what's working in your niche. Look at the top-performing videos in your space and analyze them. What hooks do they use? How do they structure their videos? What topics are trending? Don't copy them, but learn from what's already proven to work and put your own spin on it. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. Find channels that complement yours, not compete with it. A collaboration exposes your content to their audience and vice versa. It's a win-win that can bring a surge of new subscribers. Use your YouTube analytics to guide your content strategy. Check which videos get the most views, longest watch time, and highest engagement. Double down on what's working. If a certain style or topic performs well, make more of that. Pay attention to where viewers drop off in your videos and adjust your pacing or editing to keep them watching longer. Ask people to subscribe. It sounds simple, but it works. Remind viewers at the beginning and end of every video to hit the subscribe button if they want more content like this. You can also add a subscribe watermark that appears in the corner of your videos as a constant reminder. Create playlists to organize your content. Playlists keep viewers binge-watching multiple videos in a row, which increases watch time and signals to YouTube that your content is valuable. Plus, playlists show up in search results just like individual videos do. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, create community posts, and make your viewers feel like they're part of something. The more connected people feel to you, the more likely they are to subscribe and stick around. Finally, be patient and stay consistent. Getting to 100K subscribers doesn't happen overnight. It's about showing up week after week, improving your content, learning from your analytics, and building genuine relationships with your audience. Focus on providing value, and the growth will follow. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials.